Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe if you're new and leave a like and comment. So today's video is going to be 5 ways that I tie a scarf. I literally love scarves so much, especially in this spring summer season. Silk scarves, linen scarves, so I'm just going to be showing you guys 5 ways how I would tie a scarf. So the scarf I'm using is this massive linen scarf from Zara. I literally love this scarf so much, and the colour as well is literally a bit of me. So this scarf is quite big, like widthways and lengthways, it's like double. So yeah, let's start with something very simple. The most simple one is, I mean usually I do this with a smaller scarf, but you literally make the scarf a triangle, take it to the back like this, and you literally just tie a knot. So you just do a double knot, and if you tie it properly and tightly, that is secure, and there you go. That is number 1. Okay, so number 2, I've opened up the scarf and folded it in half lengthways. That makes sense. So in half this way, and then I'm just going to fold it in half lengthways again. I'm going to take it around the back so that the 2 edges are at the front like this. I'm going to try and get it like around your breast. I think this is easier if you wear like a bra with this one, like a strapless bra, and you literally tie it. So let me just hold this together like this, and you literally tie it, do a second knot, and you tie it like so. So it's like a little bandeau top. I almost forgot, you just tuck this over bit underneath. So those 2 are there, and then you just have the knot. So with number 3, again, fold it in half lengthways, so like this, and then fold it in half again, fold it in half again, take it round the back again, cover the boob, cover the boobage. We're going to tie a knot at the front here, like so. And then I'm going to take it round the back and tie a knot here also. Pull it tight and do a second knot. And then it will be, just cover your boobs, and it will be like so. So number 4 is very similar. So again, lengthways in 2, and instead of tying it in the middle, you're literally just gonna cover the boobs, and you're literally just gonna take it up and tie it like this. Double knot. So this gives a very similar effect, but just a bit. So number 5, last but not least, lengthways. I'm going to fold it in half, so like this, so long ways in half, and then I'm going to, I've got this chain on from ASOS, I'm going to pop it in the chain like so. So it's a bit even, one on top of the other. And then I'm just going to tie it at the back like this. And that's just going to open these up to adjust Okay.